The world of mobile gaming has come a long way in just a few short years. From playing Snake on early cell phones to diving into complex multiplayer battles in titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, or PUBG, we've witnessed a massive leap in what our phones can do. And now, 2025 might just be the year that mobile gaming fully rivals the console and PC experience. If you're a serious gamer, your choice of phone is more important than ever. So today, I'm on a mission to find the best gaming phone of 2025 before it even hits store shelves. I've tested them, pushed them to their limits, and today I'll share what makes these devices so different, what works, what doesn't, and which one rises above the rest. Why gaming phones matter more than ever. Let's face it, for many of us, regular smartphones just don't cut it when it comes to gaming. Sure, flagship phones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra or iPhone 16 Pro Max are powerful, but they often fall short where it really matters: sustained performance, heat management, and battery life during extended sessions. Performance issues like frame drops, overheating, and lag can ruin a gaming session in seconds. And nothing's worse than having your phone die mid-battle because the battery couldn't keep up. That's why gaming phones aren't just niche anymore. They're essential tools for mobile gamers who want consistent, uninterrupted experiences. Today's top gaming phones are designed with one mission: to make sure you win. Whether it's through high refresh rate displays, dedicated cooling systems, or customizable triggers, these devices are engineered to give you every possible edge. Common problems in mobile gaming. Before we dive into the phones themselves, let's talk about the pain points gamers still face in 2025. Lag and frame drops. Even flagship devices can stutter during intense gameplay. Overheating. Extended play sessions cause many phones to heat up quickly, leading to performance throttling. Battery drain. High-powered games eat battery life, often requiring multiple charges a day. Touch response. Standard phones don't always have fast enough touch response for competitive gameplay. Distractions. Notifications, background apps, and software limitations interfere with immersion. Gaming phones try to solve these problems with features like game turbo modes, physical shoulder triggers, larger batteries, and even built-in fans. The big question is, do they deliver? The 2025 gaming phone contenders. This year, several big players have entered the gaming phone space with refreshed and refined offerings. Some are returning champs, others are newcomers trying to carve a niche. Let's take a look at the key contenders I tested. Asus ROG Phone 8 Ultimate, Red Magic 10 Pro, Lenovo Legion Extreme, Black Shark 6, Xiaomi Hyperplay. The X5 Pro, exclusive prototype, performance and processing power. When it comes to gaming, raw power is king. The ROG Phone 8 Ultimate features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with 18 GB of RAM and an active cooling system. Games like Apex Legends Mobile and Warzone Mobile run like a dream, with zero lag, even on max settings. But it's the X5 Pro that surprised me the most. This unreleased prototype houses a custom-tuned variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4X chip, exclusive to this phone. It delivers blazing fast performance, even beating some gaming laptops in certain benchmarks. Paired with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this device eats through anything I throw at it. And while the Red Magic 10 Pro isn't quite as powerful, it's the best budget performance combo of the bunch. It held up remarkably well in long play sessions, thanks to its excellent thermal design. Cooling systems. No more toasty fingers. Overheating is one of the biggest issues with high-end gaming, and each brand has a different solution. ROG Phone 8 has a clip-on Aero Active Cooler X, reducing temps by up to 10 degrees Celsius. Black Shark 6 uses a vapor chamber with thermal gel for passive cooling. X5 Pro integrates a revolutionary triple-phase cooling system, graphite sheets, a vapor chamber, and a miniature fan that activates automatically. During a 1-hour gaming stress test, the X5 Pro maintained the lowest average temperature and showed no performance throttling. This is a game changer, literally. Display. Because frames matter, all these phones sport high refresh rate displays, but not all displays are created equal. The Lenovo Legion Extreme has a 144 Hz AMOLED with ultra-low touch latency. Red Magic 10 Pro goes up to 165 Hz for buttery smooth gameplay. The X5 Pro strikes a perfect balance with its 144 Hz LTPO AMOLED, adaptive refresh rate, and 2K resolution. This not only makes games look better, it makes them feel better. Paired with high touch sampling rates, up to 960 Hz on some models, you'll notice smoother controls and faster response, especially in FPS games. Battery life. Can it survive the boss fight? Gaming drains batteries fast, and 2025 phones are addressing this aggressively. ROG Phone 8 offers a 6000 mAh dual-cell battery with 65W fast charging. Black Shark 6 comes with a 5500 mAh pack and supports 100W charging. The X5 Pro? A 5800 mAh battery with AI-powered power management and 120W ultra-fast charging. What does that mean in practice? I got around 8 hours of heavy gaming on the X5 Pro before needing a recharge. And with that 120W charger, I was back to 100% in just over 20 minutes. Gaming features. The little things matter. Gaming phones are packed with features designed specifically for players. Customizable shoulder triggers, built-in gaming modes that mute notifications and boost GPU performance, dedicated performance dashboards and real-time system monitoring, haptic feedback tuned for different genres. But the X5 Pro takes it even further. It supports modular accessories, including a snap-on controller, clip-on cooling fan, and even a mini projector that turns your wall into a 60-inch screen. It also uses AI to auto-optimize performance based on your play style, learning over time which settings and refresh rates you prefer. Software and ecosystem. Gaming phones often run heavily customized versions of Android. ROG UI focuses on customization and system tweaks. JOY UI, Black Shark, integrates Xiaomi's MyUI with gamer-centric tools. X5 Oxygen Monosulfide, the software on the X5 Pro, is clean, fast, and minimal, with powerful game-focused utilities like live streaming, screen recording, and one-touch performance tuning. Even more impressive? It integrates with your gaming ecosystem, syncing progress with your console or PC games where supported. The verdict: best gaming phone of 2025? After all the testing, one phone stood out: the X5 Pro. It delivers blazing fast performance, unmatched cooling, killer display, long battery life, smart gaming features. While the ROG Phone 8 Ultimate and Red Magic 10 Pro were close contenders, the X5 Pro felt like the most complete package. It doesn't just play games well, it's designed from the ground up for gamers. Of course, your personal preference will depend on your budget and ecosystem. But if you're looking for a future-proof phone that's built to dominate, the X5 Pro is the one to beat. Final thoughts: mobile gaming is no longer casual. It's competitive, intense, and evolving rapidly. The line between mobile and console gaming is getting blurrier by the day, and gaming phones are at the forefront of that shift. With phones like the X5 Pro leading the way, the future of mobile gaming looks incredibly bright and insanely powerful. So, what do you think is the best gaming phone out there right now? Did I miss one of your favorites? Let me know in the comments below. If you're into mobile tech, be sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming content.